Sorry. John Okafor. Right? Again.
Gold.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. You are one specimen of a woman.
Huh? You don't say.
You are built just right.
Huh?
Come on, let's get you seated.
I'm not sure I quite follow the compliment. What do you mean by I'm built just right?
You know it is always good to be built ready for any challenges.
That's the first that I'm hearing of such.
No. You look like you can fight at least 1 or 10 adversaries. And that's a good thing.
Like I said, the first time of me hearing of such.
It is just a joke.
Gene.
It is nice to officially meet you.
Thank you.
Imaka.
You're roughing. Dalo.
Go. It is weird that I knew you were the one for this date.
Huh.
And let me shock you. You are the first woman I have met on this app.
Well, that makes both of us because I'm fairly new at this as well. So, enough of me. Now, what do you do? Yes, what do you do for a living?
Okay.
Gene.
I'm an artist.
Nice, an artist.
A good one at that.
Nice. If I might ask, what sort of art do you specify?
Let's not talk about me. Hey! Look at you. What is there to talk about me? Look at you.
Okay.
Yes.
Here.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Ta-da! Hold it. Yeah.
A key.
Yes.
Imagine.
That key is the key to my heart. And I'm giving it to you because you have my heart. That key is important to me. Hold it tight.
Now you're cute, oh. Do you think this is secondary school?
Because you make me feel young again.
Look on Maya. Now do you think this is Nollywood?
Hey. Don't worry. I'm a gentleman. Let me handle this.
Oh?
Yes. Waiter, please come.
Are you planning to order or what?
Yes. Don't worry, you will like it. The lady and I will have spaghetti. Hey! Bulldozer.
It's again in there.
Spaghetti and Bulldozer.
Oh dear God, I could have sworn it was called spaghetti bolognese.
You make me laugh. Doesn't matter. Potato.
I'm not sure this is anyone's potatoes. Huh? You should be landed the jail for pronouncing it like that. Oh, you're a very funny man. I don't know about Loganos.
Mr. Piccolo.
Again, excuse me, gentlemen, how may we be of help? As you can see, we're in the middle of lunch.
Baby, just ignore them like I'm doing.
We need this man to follow us to the station.
Excuse me, I think there's a misunderstanding here. First of all, this is not Mr. Piccolo. This is Mr. John Okafor. Yeah. Why don't you go and look for this your Mr. Piccolo? I mean, I know that he said Bolognese, but that's not enough for you to arrest him now. It's not.
Anyone who pronounces it like that should be arrested. But that is not it, man. He is a wanted man. And we need him in the station.
My name is John. I am not Piccolo. I don't know who Piccolo is. You can clearly see that I'm having a nice time with my fiancée.
Sure. Sure, God, no, I think everyone needs to just hold on a bit. There's a lot of confusion going around here. Confusion on your part being that this is not Mr. Piccolo, this is John Okafor. And also on your part, John, on your fiancé, I'm not your fiancé. I think there's a lot of confusion going around. Let's just calm down.
This is the man we are looking for.
John, this man looks like you, or do you have a twin?
People look alike every day, everywhere.
So, why is he wearing the exact same shirt as you're wearing right now?
Let me see it.
Sorry, if I may ask, why are you looking for this man?
We are looking for him and an accomplice. They broke into a house and stole the key to a safety deposit box that contains precious stones.
Because, I'm not there. Because you and your accomplice should sort this out. Again,
Baby.
do you want me to spoil your hand for you? Because, gentlemen, I don't know this man. I was having lunch here. He's highly delusional. Because I don't know who is his fiancé, and he's calling me his fiancé. See, John Okafor, if you know what is good for you, happen back and sort your own shit out. Because,
Baby!
Babe, give me.
Babe, see, calm down.
See, here you go. John Okafor. Or if I'm making this say, I said if you hold me one more time, Kita, but check out again. What am I making say on a date? Where are you going to? Here, which date? I don't know this man. Oh. Are you mad? Are you not? Why are you denying? Why are you denying me?
Okay, do you know what, officer? I am Piccolo. Yes, I'm Piccolo. And this is my accomplice. Search her.
Okay,
she is with the
key. Making this. Hey, he gave me this key today. Oh, take. I have nothing to do with this.
But
key.
you said you don't know who I am.
He gave me this key today. Oh.
Oh, really? Then why do you look like this man accomplice that we are also looking for?
I now see. Other people will go on dates. It will go well. Now I've gone on dates. You're calling me accomplice. I was on my own. Oh. I was on my own. John Okafor. You remember when you said that I look like I'm built right, Abi? I can face up to 10 to 20 adversaries. Do you remember when you said it? Let me now show you that I can move all the adversaries. Hold on. Don't worry, hold on. You'll soon see. Hey! Look away from making this. Come here! Come here! John, I'm magic. Do you know me?
No.
Do you know me?
I don't know.
I'm asking you one more time. Do you know me?
No.
I'm asking you one more time. Do you know me?
No. Adam, are you going to stay here at this old woman thing?
What's not Adam? You're gonna. Okay. You all know yourselves. Look on the great scammers. Okay, your plan was to scam me. Let me get this right. Let me paint the picture. I know you're a former. You would come. Then tell me that I'm accomplice. Then I will not pay you to release me, okay? That was the plan, Abi.
No,
John,
no.
Bulldozer.
Come on.
Come here, lock that gun, sister. Bring that gun, sister. Bring that gun.
Okay.
You're dead. You're already dead.
Okay, what you bring us come before you like this? Me, I get picking no. My wife just born no.
Hey, Madam, go. Bend down. Bulldozer. Deal with this sauce.
Madam, I beg now.
Madam, I beg. I will show you pepper. Stand up, up. Please. Hold me, madam. Go, check your bag. You want to embarrass me. See how I'm sweating like a fool because of you. Of course, no, but not self. Us, self. Which of you forced?
Madam, no nonsense. Yolanda, when she landed, you must show some respect. She carry fire for body to make you no go trespass. Action lady, I throw a salute.